How's it going, everyone? My name is Max Kavanaugh here at MarineMax Excelsior, Minnesota. Behind me is the Nautique G23 Paragon. Let's go take a peek at it. On the G23 Paragon, in the transom of the boat, you're going to see Nautique steering assist, the Nautique surf pipe, as well as the NSS plates, and the Nautique configurable running surface, which is that plate that's just behind the surf pipe. As you walk into the boat, you have a very nice walkway with anthracite sea deck throughout. Two big loungers on the back side of the boat. In the transom of the boat on both sides, you do have hatches that both lift up, storage inside. Inside the cockpit here, you do have a wake view bench that lifts up, folds back into place like so. You have another bench here on your port side, lifts up, locks into place. You got a nice long seating area here to watch your riders surf or wakeboard. Storage on both port and starboard side. Everything on supported hinges, that way you're not having to lift up your seat and move it somewhere. More storage on the port side up here on the passenger side seat. This is where your batteries are actually located, is up underneath here. You have garbage can and garbage can access on the side of the walkthrough. At the helm of the G23 Paragon, they have this race-inspired captain's chair, which is a nice cutout for your leg, so it makes it easy to turn back, talk to your friends or family, or whoever's on your boat. The seat is also electric, so it can move forward and backward. It has a lever that if you pull up on it, twists the chair as well. As you walk through up in the bow, you have a nice spacious bow with armrests on both port and starboard sides. One thing to note, up in the bow, both seats, so on the port and the starboard side, are on supported hinges, so when you lift them up, they're not falling back down on you. You have storage underneath with sea deck inside, so the fit and finish is absolutely fantastic. And that is the G23 Paragon. If you guys have any questions at all or want to come out and see this boat, it's located at MarineMax in Excelsior. We have two sales consultants here, Scott Nowak and Mike Anderson. They'd be happy to help you. With that being said, take care, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day.